As we all know, the Redmi Note lineup has been one of the most sought after budget smartphone for years now. With the competition heating up in this segment, Xiaomi has leveled up its game with the Redmi Note 8 Pro in a bid to retain the top position. The Redmi Note 8 Pro is official, and here we have the box. Without wasting any time, let's unbox it. Taking out the cardboard box, we have two green sliding doors, inside which we have the mobile phones, the box, and surprisingly, the macro photography props. So we have the phone wrapped up in a plastic soft cover, and keeping it aside, here is the box. The front side shows a glimpse of the Note 8 Pro. The device we have is 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of inbuilt storage in halo white color. On the back, we have the specifications of the device including the cameras, chipset and battery. It also has a Made in India tag as well. Opening up this box, we have a compartment on top which houses a paper document and a clear case. And below, we have the 18 watts charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the inbox content of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's set it up and check it out. The Redmi Note 8 Pro features Aura design, which was first introduced in Redmi Note 7 series. It is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both sides. It has a glossy and a reflective back, and it will be prone to fingerprint smudges. So we recommend slapping the bundled case while using it. Moving to the buttons, we have the volume rockers and the power button on the right, a 2 dedicated slot on the left for SIM and microSD card. On the bottom, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and a speaker grill. Up top, we have the secondary microphone and the IR sensor as well. On the front, we have a dot-notch display measuring 6.53-inch Full HD Plus with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The notch houses a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Interestingly, the Note 8 Pro comes with a built-in Alexa as well. This latest device from the Redmi lineup is powered by a MediaTek Helio G90T processor with a Mali G76 MC4 GPU, and this is the first smartphone that comes with this chipset. Note 8 Pro is one of the first devices to incorporate the brand new 64MP sensor from Samsung with the native pixel binning technology. Alongside the 64-megapixel primary camera, we have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro camera for you to take picture up close. Keeping the light on is a massive 4500 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. It's worth mentioning that the Note 8 Pro also comes with the liquid cooling technology, notification LED, IR blasters, dual 4G VO LTE, and other basic options. It runs on MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie and features a Game Turbo 2.0 as well. So this is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.